Alright guys, hope you're doing well. We're back at it. It's Monday morning, it's the day after my holiday in Mallorca. I've had a week in Mallorca with my family. It's been my sister's wedding, Natalie and Rob's. It was a brilliant wedding, loved it. Back in action though now, and today's job we are going to brick up this window here, behind us. We are taking this window out, bricking it up. Next door's had the similar thing done. We're bricking it up, all this panel underneath. Brickwork, blockwork inside, and just replacing that window. There's our bricks. We're going to tooth all these out and bond them in, but we've got a problem this side. We can't really get access, so we're really struggling to tooth them out. It will be a massive job. We'd have to take all the fence down. We've not really priced for that, to be fair. If you look on this panel, it's not actually quite central, the fence post. So that, if it was central, that would have given us access to toothing out, but as it is, we're going to have to unfortunately do a straight joint, and we'll still tie it in with some wall starter. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do for more videos like this, construction related and all kinds of other stuff. Without further ado, let's get cracking. Hope you enjoy. Got our rough bricks here, 73mm, and they are Anglian red. They're a perfect match really. Got Casey on the job as well. So that's 7 courses. We'll crack on with taking those out. Okay, we've nicked the window a lot, but that doesn't matter because it's coming out, it's rubbish. Days gone fading, heart still aching. I can't control it, I can't control it. I know, keep pretending that we could never make it. I know you know it, I know you know it, I know. In the late night, when the lights out, can't escape now. We just had one accident with one of the brakes, it just cracked, so we had to take that out. As you can see there, but that happens sometimes, just have to deal with it. Oh, watering accident. Sprinkler! So we're going to crack on with the mix now, and we're just going to do, we're going to do a slightly weaker mix because we're matching in with this, and it's quite a sandy mix. It's still going to be a sufficient mix, but we're matching in, and we don't want to do a 4-to-1, which is going to be quite strong. It's going to stick out like a sore thumb really. That's what we call mortar plasticizer. Just makes the mortar more workable. But that ties in here. Plenty ties in there. On the edge of the night, we'll say we'll cease fire and put our weapons down. Days gone fading, hearts still aching. And there's a 5 part sand, 1 part cement mix done by hand. Sand me brewing style. Come on you Reds. Even though you're not playing well at all. Look at this here, proper being looked after with your yum yum. I think I'll have that caramel one. Which one are you having, Casey?
Chalky one.
Which one would you have? In the comments. Any good?
Absolutely superb.
Hey, blue skies. Brought out the weather back with us. We used to waking up in like 17, 18 degrees, wouldn't we have? As soon as we woke up. It was 7 this morning. Oh, it was cold. Any offers? Any offers?
No, left behind me.
Heaviest piece of glass we've ever moved. That there, I think it's 6mm toughened. Blooming heck, that was ever. Whew. We can crack on with taking the window out now. for you, that merch, Gaz. How was it? Any good? Any pointers? Let's get our wall starter here, sorted. These are decent, these ones. Just snap those ties off and then slot in there. Just put in there like that.
Yeah, solid.
I was driving down the coastline. I had no thought of this.
I have worked with brickies, loads of brickies, that don't even put these in. That's how many cowboys are knocking about. They don't even put them in, or if they do put them in, I've seen them knock them in with a nail. Just go and knock a nail in, which is obviously not going to work because the nail can still come out because it's not as good as a screw. It's not getting that fixing. So it takes time, but it's got to be done. You see, got to be done.
And I was checking every road sign for hidden messages I might find. Yes, I was looking everywhere for some kind of sign to let me know I was doing fine. Don't you wanna know? Don't you wanna know that you're on the right track? That you're on the right road? You say, don't you?
So these are our bricks, our Anglian reds, and well, in fact I think they're actual bang on match. Now I just sat them blocks on, but they're actually running pretty decent with the level. Loaded some bricks up now. I'm not going to stack them too high because you're not going to be able to see when I'm bricklaying, see? See how I think you all the time? Now, my dad's taking too long with the blocks, he must have got lost, so I'm going to have to crack on with the brickwork.
Driving for so long now that I forgot what I was leaving. I couldn't even tell you what road I was on, or if I was only dreaming. Don't you wanna know? Don't you wanna know that you're on the right track? That you're on the right road? You say, don't you wanna know? Don't you wanna know that it will be fine if you just keep moving on and don't look back?
Look alright with this brush, but they are big beds and big joints, there's no getting away from it. So I've just measured the gauge of that corner. It's 600 mil high, and over here measured to that top of that brick, and that's 600. So we'll just run that in. Should be level.
Awake and alive. Everything about you is honest and true. What do you say? Can you picture yourself with me? Waking up by my side, sharing your days and your nights, burning up as we get it right. My all time.
I've just jointed it up, it's looking okay.
Dreaming of a dream, holding on to you, fairy tale, no.
Used a lot more mortar than predicted, really, because of the big beds, and it's the holes in the bricks to keep everything together. When you're spreading out, all the mortar drops down the holes. Yeah. There you go.
Take me all the way. Waking up by my side, sharing your days and your nights, burning up as we get it right. My all time.
JC's pointing up there, cracking job, look at this. Beautiful.
I'm ready for storms and norms. Waking up by your side. All I want is sharing my day and my night.
It's time for a clean up now. Looking good.
As we get it right, my all-time. My sweet.
There's the blockwork inside. Oh, we need to put the window board on as well and plaster that. There we go, folks. Jobs are good. All we need to do now is seal up and clean it. Clean it to seal it, then it's done, but it's pretty much done. Next we're going to tackle the front door. Alright guys, so thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like rating. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers guys.